Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to make a DIY Mardi Gras candle holder. We are finished. Everything that I used for this DIY, I purchased everything from the Dollar Tree, from the candle holder to the Mardi Gras beads, as well as the diamond wrap. Only thing that I didn't purchase from the Dollar Tree was the spray paint, which I got from Lowe's for like $3.97. If you like this Mardi Gras DIY, make sure you hit the like button. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.